What you release stops controlling you. The tighter you hold on, the less control you actually have. Most people associate control with holding on, managing every detail, rechecking every decision, staying alert at all times. It feels responsible, it feels necessary. But over time, holding on creates tension. In the inner ledger, control gained through tension is temporary and exhausting. Letting go works differently. Letting go is not giving up, it is releasing unnecessary grip. There is a difference between commitment and attachment. Commitment focuses on action, attachment focuses on outcome. Attachment tightens the system. You replay conversations, you rehearse scenarios, you monitor progress obsessively. This constant holding consumes energy. Letting go restores movement. When you release attachment to outcomes, attention returns to what you can influence: your response, your effort, your presence. This is real control. Holding on creates resistance. Resistance slows everything down. Letting go removes friction. It allows timing to work. It allows adjustment to happen naturally. It allows clarity to emerge. This is why moments of relief often arrive right after you stop forcing something. The system recalibrates. Letting go also builds trust. You stop trying to prevent every possible outcome and start trusting your ability to respond if needed. That trust stabilizes the nervous system. Over time, letting go becomes strength. You are no longer pulled by every thought, every worry, every imagined scenario. You become grounded. If something in your life feels heavy right now, ask yourself, what am I gripping that no longer needs holding? What would happen if I loosen my grip slightly? Letting go doesn't reduce control, it refines it. That is how the inner ledger stays balanced.